Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss on topic nutrition labeling. The nutrition labeling allow to understand the nutritional content of the food, ingredients, and compare the nutritional value of similar products in terms of calorie value, fat content, proteins, sodium, and other nutrients. The Ministry of Health is working to amend the regulations so that they will also require making the sugar content of the product as part of the total carbohydrate. The nutritional label should appear on food package in the form of a table and in the order that appears in the regulations. In small packages that do not allow nutrition labeling on a table, it will be marked in a row. Next is a major regulation amendments. Under the major regulation amendments, sugar content in gram, the number of teaspoons of sugar must be specified in the nutritional label, starting with 2 grams total sugar content in 100 grams or 100 ml. Maximum level of sodium, sugars, and saturated fatty acid, which if exceeded will require red labels on the front of the package, either for solid food or for liquid food. The instruction as to the design of the red labels have been put forward, including their size in relation to package from a supplement was added which specifies the label's shape, color, distance, and front format of the package's front. New nutrition labeling exemptions have been set multi-pack and exempt from labeling according to the regulations. Certain foods are exempt from red labels from instant small package which either front is less than 25 meter square. Guide for purchasing of food. There are many guides mentioned on packet like best before, date of manufacture, date of packaging, lot number, best before use, date by use, etc. The best before means the date which signifies the end of the period under any stated storage condition during which the food shall remain fully marketable and shall retain any specific qualities for which tactics or express claims have been made, and beyond the date the food may still be perfectly safe to consumers, though its quality may have diminished. However, that food shall not be sold if at any stage the product become unsafe. Next is date of manufacture. Date of manufacture means the date on which the food becomes the product as described. Next is date of packaging. It means the date on which the food is placed in the immediate container in which it will be ultimately sold. Next, infant means a child not more than 12 months of age can use the product. Next, number 5th is lot number or code number or batch number. The lot number means the number either in numerical or alphabetical or in a combination of numeric, or it is a combination of alphabet and numerical. Representing the lot number or code number or batch number being preceded by the words lot number, lot, or code number or code or batch number or batch, or any distinguishing prefix by which the food can be traced in manufacture and identified in distribution. Next is multi-piece package. Multi-piece package means a package containing two or more individual packaged or labeled piece of the same commodity of identical quantity intended for retail either in individual pieces or packaged as a whole. Non-vegetarian food means an article of food which contain whole or part of any animals including birds, fresh contains freshwater or marine animals, or eggs or products of any animal origin but excluding milk or milk product as an ingredient. Next is use by date or recommended last consumption date. It is also known as expiry date, means the date which signifies the end of the estimated periods under any state storage condition after which the food probably will not have the quality and safety attributes normally expected by the consumers and the food shall not be sold. Next is vegetarian food, means any article of food other than non-vegetarian food as defined in regulation 1.0.1 in regulation act. Next is legislation of food labeling. Legislation of food labeling or law of food labeling. In Western countries, labeling on food product is anchored and regulated by legislation. The main legislation include the Consumers Protection Order, means making or packaging of food products, in 1918, according to which the marking of pre-packaged food products will be done in accordance with standard number 1145 of the Standards Institute, which is a broad roof standard that regulates the general labeling instruction in packaged food, by which of the Public Health Ordinance 1983, the regulation have been enacted that deals with specific issues related to food, and among them regulations regarding labeling and marking such as Public Health Regulations 1993, Public Health Regulation 1996, Public Health Regulation 1999. 1990. Thank you.